What y'all think today gonna bring? Overcast conditions. Let's find out. I think it's gonna be a good day for fishing. What's up, y'all? Out here, beautiful day. A little overcast conditions. No sun in the sky. It should be good for a topwater bite, shouldn't it? At least I think. Got the little whopper plopper. Been a little slow out here in my pond, y'all. I ain't been getting no bites lately. I don't know what's going on. I know I ain't no professional fisherman, but I think I can get some bites. You know what I mean? Just like that. Just like that. My fish have grown a little bit. Just a little bit. So he must was chilling around that branch over there. Ooh, that one spit it, y'all saw. I'm just swimming right beside that branch that's out there. They probably using it as cover. Chilling out, hiding in it or something. Pause for a second. Take back off. It's winter. Hopefully I'll be able to, make some more fishing, some more access to the water to be able to do some more fishing. You know what I mean? Add some more branches and, covering the water for the fish. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this a really good spot. Yeah. Man, something. I don't know if y'all saw that over there, but it's fish. These bass are blowing up on these bugs on the surface, looking like. And I don't know if y'all can see why I threw it, but it's like kind of like the. Well, y'all, we're gonna Texas rig this little crawl up. Yeah, I wanted to worm anyway, so it just give me an excuse to go on tie it on. That just was already on there. That's why I just used that. This worm. And sometimes I just leave it in one spot and just really shake it. Try to get one, like aggravate one. And the brims are munch on these little worms too now. Y'all see that out there jumping? Come on, buddy. No, dog. Hey, my fish are actually getting bigger. I've been taking some out. Like this one. It look pretty good for this pond it is. They actually getting bigger. I've been taking out a bunch of small ones, man. Keep pressure on it. Come on, dog. Come on, buddy. He will hook right in the top of the mouth. Like I said, the ones in here, they would, man, these feel a lot better than what I'm used to. A lot better. Whole lot better, y'all. And if y'all been following me for any time, it might be a long video too. And if y'all been following me for any time, y'all will see what I was used to pulling out of this pond. It feel good to get out here and catch some fish though. Cause I'm telling you, I ain't caught none in a while. Especially on a day like today when it's overcast, I hear that these are some good conditions. I'm not sure, but that's what I hear. I mean, like, hey, y'all just saw. I just got to fight swimming a worm like you do a swim bait. Got another one. As y'all see, swimming a worm like you do a swim bait. Like I said, for this pond, these right here are doing a whole lot better. So them couple ones I took out, obviously has been making a difference. And I didn't only take bass out. I took brim and bass out of here. I'm gonna tie that on. Hope I don't lose it, y'all. Hope I don't lose it. Oh, look at that big old splash over there. Y'all missed it. Chatterbait fish. Don't see, can we get us a chatterbait fish? Anyway. Can we get us one that want the chatterbait? The chatterbait in this little pond is too intimidating for them. There's not that many bait fish in this pond besides baby bass and brim and... Oh, got one. I was wrong. Let's water ski it on in. Hey, we did get us a chatterbait fish. I pulled some of that coat from out there. That's what I did. Somebody else has been fishing and done lost some line. These fish over here, they hardly ever be up close to the bank sometimes. You know, sometimes they do, but most of the time these fish right around in this little pond like to be out in the middle, out deep. Majority of all the time. Man. Had another one blow up on it right there, y'all. Did y'all see it? And it got loose. Dang, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Boy, I hope y'all saw that. That fish jumped out the water and spit it. I ain't grasshopper, you better go on before you beat lunch. Pretty sure fish love you. What did I just do? I don't even know. Well, I don't know if y'all can see it all the way down there, but man, there's some grass out in the water. I know they probably down there feeding on frogs and stuff. All right, here I come. Where I come? Well, y'all finna have to end this short. I know this video been like an hour, but my wife just got out of work, so I gotta go home. Now, as soon as I promise you, as soon as I turned the GoPro off, I got a bite. As soon as I turned it off. Come on now. Don't act a fool. But that's how we gonna end the day. With that right there. Catch y'all next time, Mother Life. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.